So we are working on the basiX collection. We are working in the car and I wait for my kids to get out of school. My life has been a lot of wearing athleisure, whatever it's called, athleisure. So we're in Adidas, Lululemon. This is Lululemon, and then my brand I got on Manifesting Made Basic joggers. They're cute. They're cute. See that? You see that? That's cute. I have to buy this thing from Staples and see if it's going to work. Is that blurry? Let's see if I can. So we just released the teaser video of the basiX collection on YouTube today. We also shared the packaging and all it, like how it looks on Instagram. Might do that on YouTube today. We'll see. We're moving. Now I'm in the sun. Hey, we are coming out with 3 scents, and the 3 scents are an air scent, a water scent, and a earth scent. The earth scent is the dream life scent, and so it is about stepping into your dream life. It is grounding, it is earthy, it is to help you step into your dream life. And then the water scent is the easy life, and it's about flow, it's about ease, it's about effortlessness. And so you put on the scent, it's about smelling the vibe, and so it's about getting into effortlessness, ease. My life is easy, I don't have to work hard, these kind of things. And then we have I Am Loved, the air scent, and it's steady, it's pure, just like how you want to feel when you're in love. Pure, steady, romantic. And so these scents are smelling the vibe. Smell is so powerful when it comes to manifestation. It really can get you into a certain vibe, a certain feeling. Have you ever put on a scent and just felt confident, felt amazing, incredible? That's what these scents are supposed to do. You will feel loved. You will feel like you're in your dream life. And so I'm really excited about it because this is part of my brand, Manifesting Made Basic. This is part of my brand, Manifesting Made Basic. This is making manifesting easy. It is making it basic. It is using your basic 5 senses to step into your dream self, step into your dream life, and that kind of thing. So this is the first launch, and so it's going to be available for pre-order. I need to get my nails done. Just thinking, like I need to get my nails done. So yeah, we have air, water, and earth. And we are using our basic senses to step into our dream life. And manifesting doesn't have to be this hard thing. It can be a lot of play. It can be a lot of sensuality. It can be a lot of ease and effortlessness. It's something that we are supposed to be doing. When you put on the perfume Dream Life, it puts you into sand, beach, earth, my home. It's a grounding scent. So it's like what reminds you. So it's supposed to trigger. It's supposed to trigger that memory. It's supposed to trigger that feeling of home, of your dream life. What does that look like? Is it freedom? Is it free? Is it like a cabin? Are you in like this mansion cabin or whatever it is? Are you on the beach? Are you living like a beach type of life? You know what I'm saying? Like tropical, whatever it is. It's grounding, it's earthy, it's like, uh-oh, the kids are coming. We barely got anything accomplished. That's the life. We play a lot and I love it. I hope you love it too, girlfriend. But yeah, so the scents will be coming out soon. Like I said, if you haven't checked out our teaser video, check it out. And it's 3 cents, so it's like a gift set. So it's going to make for incredible gifts. But anyways, bye guys!